Governor Pete Wilson, you know, the baddest governor to ever grab a mic and go, ooh, give me a punch and watch me hack it. Give me a beat and I'll show you how to jack it. I give the rich a giant tax loophole. I leave the poor living in a poop hole. At a time when AIDS is in a crisis, I cut health care and the raise prices. Sales tax, snack tax, the dot tax, information attack with a newspaper tax. Come on, hit the pocketbooks of working families. Increase tuition after university. Someday I'll command all of you. Even the kids are gonna pray to me in school. Soon I'm gonna be your president. You might remember the last two my state said. California, Uber Alice. California, Uber Alice. California, Uber Alice. California, Uber Alice. Oh yeah, Uber, 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 Uber. Come on, Uber, 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 Uber. Come on, come on. Fuck homophobia. Hell yeah, come on, right. Yeah, come on. Hell yeah. Do it to me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now it's 1992. Knock, knock on your front door, yo, guess who? It's the Suede MC to police. They come to your house for your long-haired niece. Gonna send her off to a camp, cause she's been accused of throwing hemp. Don't you worry, it's only a shower. And now for your clothes, here's a pretty flower. Gonna die of malathion gas. The serpent's head has already been hatched. People starving and living in the streets because they try to fuck with me, President Pete. California, Uber Alice.